Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys all how to get Instagram Plus, the APK, or download it on your iPhone or Android device, guys. As you can see, I have it right here. Here's proof. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys step by step exactly how I did this, and it honestly takes about 2 to 3 minutes depending how fast your internet is. And all you guys got to do is watch the whole video and follow all my instructions. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into the method, guys. What you want to do is first start off by opening up your browser, guys, and going to the website apphacks.co/ig. Before I continue, guys, though, I'd just like to tell you that that the Instagram Plus tweak basically has a bunch of like tweaks in it and mods that allow you to make Instagram more efficient. I guess you can view private Instagrams. You can recover Instagram DMs. You could see people's stories without them knowing. All those kind of things, guys. So it's really cool. And the website once again is apphacks.co/ig. What we're gonna go ahead and do is go to the website. And it's going to ask us, do you want to, hold on, sorry about that. It's going to ask us, let me just go ahead and go to it. It's going to ask us to download the configuration profile. As you guys can see, this website is trying to download the configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? We're going to click allow. And if you're on an Android, it's going to ask you if you want to download the APK. So it's the same thing, just follow the steps. Now we're going to go into settings, into general, and into profiles. You're going to see Instagram Plus installer at the top right there. Check it out. I'm going to go ahead and install this bad boy. Install. Done. And Instagram Plus will appear right there on your home screen, guys. Check it out. As you can see, I got it, and it's fully functional. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that there's also one more step though you have to complete. So don't leave yet. Let me show you guys really quick. This one takes about 2 minutes. All you got to do is open up your new Instagram Plus app, and you're going to see this right here. It's going to say status no injection detected, and all you really got to do here is just prove you're human and inject the rest of the app. So to do that, just click get started, and it's going to take you to a page where you have to just complete the instructions, and it's really easy. You just complete the instructions that take, like I said, about 2 to 3 minutes, and then once you've done that, you have full access to Instagram Plus and all of its tweaks and mods in 2019, guys, working. As you can tell, the website again is apphacks.co/ig. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, let me know how I did. And yeah, that's all you have to do to get Instagram Plus, guys. See you next time.